So, done at the chiropractor's. Think I'm gonna go for a coffee at Timmy's. Don't even know if I have any money. I better stop at the bank. Looks like Frito-Lay's having some heavy work done. Oh look, they got the trailer up. Must be dumping a load of taters. See that over there? How they raised the trailer up? Can't imagine how much hydraulic pressure there is in those rams. But yes, I was at a choke tournament 2 weekends ago. With my nephew. And I'm gimping around with my broken heel, which is called plantar fasciitis. And it started to rain about 2 in the afternoon on Saturday. And part of the trail that we walk out of the bush with is kind of an ATV path. And with all the rain and mud and whatnot, yeah, it gets you slips. And I proceeded to, what the hell is that dude doing on the other side of the road? There you go, buddy. Holy crap. I proceeded to pull my groin muscle. I thought I gave myself a hernia. Man. That ever hurt. So, 15-minute walk out of the bush turned into a frickin' hour. Thought I was gonna die on the way out. So yeah, I missed a couple days' work. I went to see the doc, and he wrote me a prescription for some orthotics. So I went and saw my chiropractor. $440 later, I got some fancy walking things. Shoe insoles, whatever you want to call them. Kind of freaking it, make me want to lean forward. But yeah, it's a nice day. I thought I would get the bike out. Not going to have too many more. Oh, and I only got one fish about 8 inches long. Didn't even know I had it on. Thought I was just scraping bottom. So when I got up Sunday, was at my sister-in-law, brother-in-law's place. My nephew's like, Uncle Sean, you ready? You ready? You ready? And I'm like, dude, yeah, I don't think I'm going today. So yeah, the derby kind of got sidetracked for Sunday. And then my nephew-in-law texted me as I was on my way home. Speaking of on my way home, we left there. It's raining. And then we hit some freaking hail. And then it started to snow. But anyways, he texted me, he says, where are you? I'm like, oh yeah, I kind of hurt myself. We're not going to be there Sunday. So I asked him how many fish were entered, what's the leader, blah, blah, blah. Apparently only 13 fish were entered this year. And the biggest was 25 inches. So I don't feel bad not getting one. The river was Maybe a little high, not too bad, but the color just sucked. Chocolate milk. I got there, it was about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches of visibility. There's one for you, Diz. Have a good look. And then when it started to rain at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's like, yeah, this is really going to screw the river now. But oh well, there's always next year. We will work on that. Hopefully I'll be getting out more fishing. Get some more great vids for you. If I can find somebody to go with me.